Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to log a cell in a formula. So as example, I will type in 100, 200 and 300. The next I will set into 300, 200 and 100. Now I will create formula in here. You can type equal these cells plus with these cells. Press enter again. Now, you can see we have this formula F7 with the G7. So I will log in F7 formula. You can add dollar in here, like you can type dollar, and then also at this point. Now, if you press enter, the result will be also same. But if you copy this formula, it will be logged for this F7. You can click, you can see it will be logged the formula with this dollar icon. Okay, also at these cells. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to log a cell in a formula. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.